Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A8s with your Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that the phone used in this video is not actually A8s. However, for educational and demo purpose, this Samsung phone is used. Don't worry about it and don't say like that, this is not A8s. Okay. Actually we know it, and for demo purpose the procedure is same, so we have come up with this. Okay, just learn how you can go for screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A8s with your Android TV. First of all, make sure that your phone and TV are connected to a common Wi-Fi. You can use common Wi-Fi, first option, or otherwise second option you can use mobile network. That is, you can create a mobile hotspot from your phone itself and connect that mobile hotspot to your TV. Okay, I am going for a common Wi-Fi, first option. So make sure that your phone and TV are connected to a common Wi-Fi. So go to your phone and go to Wi-Fi section and see what Wi-Fi is currently connected to your phone. Yes, see here, Thurai 5G is used to. Okay, the same should be also in my TV. I have to verify it. So I go TV and you also go your TV and verify it. Just go to the settings and click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi, and if it is connected to any other Wi-Fi, change it to the what Wi-Fi you have used in your phone. Okay, so here, yes, the same Wi-Fi is connected Thurai 5G. So my phone and TV are connected to a common Wi-Fi called Thurai 5G. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search Google Home. Search Google Home in the search bar of Google Play Store. Yes, and click on install here, and it will be downloading and installing. Just wait few seconds. If it is taking longer time, just to go and drink a tea or coffee or milk or whatever you want. Just drink it, and waiting time will be paused. And now come back to your phone, and yes, it is finished. And open Google Home app. Yes, it is opened now, and click on get started. Just follow the on-screen instructions hereafter and click on next and give permissions, and here you have to carefully select email ID. Like Wi-Fi, email ID should also be same for phone and TV. Okay, just select email ID which you have used in your TV too. Okay, just click on the email ID and click on OK and click on next and give permission if it is asking, and again click on next and give permission. If it is asking you to turn on location services using settings of your phone, don't go to the settings, it will take some longer time, and just click on skip as it is not needed, and click on devices, and here you will see the TV device. Just it will be appearing. Wait few seconds for appearing. Yes, it is appeared in the name of Android TV. Just click on it and click on cast my screen here, and click on cast screen and click on start now to have the screen mirroring. Yes, screen mirroring is done, and here itself you can control the volume. If you are in this page, you can control volume. Otherwise, if you go out of this page, and you should use TV remote to control volume, just use plus symbol to increase volume, use minus symbol to decrease the volume. Okay, if you are going to play any other video in your phone, yes, just you can play, and that will be also seen in your TV, and also see listen, audio is also coming along with the video. In this way you can easily screen mirror from your phone to TV. Okay, that is your phone A8s with your Android TV. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.